What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? And today, I'm gonna tell y'all the story when I first packed my lip. And to me, it felt like it was like I was like Jake Paul when I did it, but not really. I, oh man, it was oof. I don't know what to tell y'all. I really don't. But for ado, let's go ahead and get into this because I'm surprised I could still remember this. I remember it well, but this is what happened. So it was 7th grade when I was more known than I am now because I'm not known anymore. I'm a nobody. I'm just a nobody. Falling off those. Alright. So as I was saying before, I got that depressing out the way of my depression. I'm okay though. But alright, so I had a friend, I met him in PE actually. So we started talking, we were like, hey bro, then we had stuff and he said, I live in Colt 2, and I was like, bro, I really live in Colt 2. And come to figure out he was staying like super close to me. I was like, you stay here all this time, and I kept passing this freaking house. I was like, I be god dang. So we started hanging out, sniffing meth. We loved us some meth. No, I'm just joking about the meth thing. I'm clean. I'm cleaner than a Lamborghini title. I hope. But yeah, so we started hanging out, and he had this 4-wheeler, and I'm surprised I'm still alive because that 4-wheeler I thought I was going to die on that thing, because it was the first day he came to my house, and I asked him. I said, "Hey, can I ride your 4-wheeler?" He said, "Yeah, sure." I got on the thing. I thought I was up church the redneck and crap, just flying down the road, and I mashed the brakes, and oh my goodness, it just kept going. I said, something ain't right. I said, do the brakes work? No, they didn't work. And I'm over here, the whole back end doing this and stuff. And I'm like, there, and I fussed all the way over the hill to turn. I'm over here like, I'm over here like, you telling me there's no brakes, and I'm driving fast. You could have warned me before I started going up church to redneck on this freaking 4-wheeler. But it made me mad, It got on my end because I want to have a good life. It's bad right now, but I still want a good life, if you know what I'm saying. But you gonna take my life by having no brakes on a 4-wheeler? Ugh. It proves I must be the next Evel Knievel. But we finally got stopped in my driveway, So we sat down, chilled for a little bit, and we got bored again. So this time I let him drove. So I got on there, and I rode with him to this field road because I live right beside the field. So we sat there, talked. He pulled out a can, and I still remember it was Grizzly Wintergreen pouches. Yes, I said it was pouches. And he said, you want one? I said, no. And I was looking, I said, you know what? Give me one. Then I put one, I said, this ain't enough. Give me a couple. I had 4 like this and stuff. So I'm over here like, and I spit, and that spit, I don't know how to imagine the taste when you first try it. I was over here choking and stuff. I was like, I was burning up. I was all queasy and crap. Now see here, what happened was, I didn't know that you're supposed to spit. I thought you're supposed to swallow it, because I see some people like gut it. I was like, you know what? Oh man, I don't know how to put it. It was like, it was like an instant reaction, and the taste from the wintergreen was like strong. It had like I don't know how to put the taste, It's like you just packing like the darkest darkness liquid you can, like Sub Nubot, wherever that the goon guy with the oil spill thingy. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Mortal Kombat. It's like getting 10 of that dude and shoving in your lip and spitting. Just imagine what that tastes. I bet you, I don't know how ink tastes, but it probably tasted like ink. Because it was dark black when I was spitting. So I was over here wheezing. My head, it was like, woo. Like my head was going, spinning faster than the end on a weed whacker. I tell you that. So I'm there laughing. You know, I felt pretty good when I got a hang of it. Although I was throwing my guts up, but I got a little good feeling out of it. After that, it got a little dark. So I went to. So me and him going forward. We cruised back, and I didn't know to stop it. You have to shift all the way down the first to slow it down. And I was over here, you know, I was like out. I was domed, like mega nicotine buzzed. And I'm over here, and I heard some boom, and somehow I thought it was a gunshot, so I lunged off the four-wheeler. And I didn't know that the four-wheeler backfired. I lunged. I'm looking around. I ran in the house. He was laughing. I'm like, what's so funny? We're getting shot at. He said, that was the four-wheeler. I thought, oh my God. And it always started from there. So that's pretty much the story of how I started. And goodness me, every time I think about Wintergreen, I keep thinking about that story. But yeah, guys, if y'all want some more stories like this, let me know. See you guys on the Flipper Siders. Talk to you guys on the flip side, on the new side, on the old side, the dark side. I don't know what side you on. You better be on my side. But peace.